Bitcoin BTC price bolts briefly back above $59,000 as soft US CPI data bolster Fed rate cut bets. Joel Frank last updated. July 11, 2024 at 16:31 GMT 2 minutes read. Bitcoin BTC price bolts briefly back above $59,000 as soft US CPI data bolster Fed rate cut bets. Source: Cryptonews. The Bitcoin BTC price briefly bolted back to the north of $59,000 following softer than expected. That boosted hopes that the Fed will start cutting interest rate by the end of summer. Both the headline and core metrics printed below economist expectations, coming in at 3% and 3.3% respectively. That has bolstered bets that the Fed will start cutting interest rates in September. As per the CME's Fed Watch tool, the implied probability of at least 125 BPS rate cut from the Fed by September was last close to 90%. That's up from under 75% just one day ago, and only around 50% 1 month ago. The softer than anticipated inflation figures come on the heels of comments from Fed Chair Jerome Powell earlier in the week. Those comments were interpreted dovishly by the market, with major U.S. equity indices vaulting to new record highs. The Bitcoin price was last changing hands in the upper $58,000. Sellers are coming in once again as Bitcoin attempts to push back above its 200 DMA, which is almost exactly at $59,000. Where next for the Bitcoin price? As it battles to break above $59,000, the Bitcoin bulls face a key hurdle. The break below the 200 DMA earlier this month was a concerning sign that the bull market may be coming to a premature end. But many analysts remain confident that the downside, which saw the Bitcoin price dip as low as the $53,000, would be temporary. That's because much of the sell pressure driving BTC price downside, that is from the German government, miners and Mt. Gox creditors, is viewed as temporary. All the while, macro has become a stronger and stronger headwind. That's not just as Fed rate cut bets rise, but also as the likelihood of a pro-crypto Trump presidency rises. News broke on Thursday that U.S. ex-President Trump is scheduled to speak at the Nashville Bitcoin conference. Traders will be closely monitoring to see whether Bitcoin can push back above $59,000 and retake $60,000. That could send a signal that the recent break below the 200 DMA had been a fake out. Bitcoin is also eyeing a breakout from its downtrend from the June highs. That wouldn't mean that a surge to record highs would be imminent. Sell pressure from miners and Mt. Gox creditors could linger for some time, but as summer comes to an end and bullish narratives build in the background, the Bitcoin price could be shaping up for a swift surge towards $100,000 in the latter stages of 2024. Follow us on Google News.